Now, this is scene third. In scene third, courtroom scene. The Duke of Venice, Antonio, Bassanio, Grattano and other enter. Duke. What? Is Antonio here? Antonio. Yes, sir, I am here. Duke. I'm sorry for you. You have to come here to face a Sotmi adversary, a ruthless, inhuman enemy who is incapable of pity. Antonio. I have been told you that have done everything in our power to convince Shylock to forget our bargain. However, the man remains stubborn. There is no law to shield me from his malicious way. Duke. One of you go and call the Jew into the court. Salerio. He is ready at the door. He comes, my lord. Shylock. Now the Shylock enters. Duke. Make room. Let him stand before me. Shylock. Everyone here thinks you are doing this merely to scare Antonio. We think you plan to show mercy at least last second. Thus, in this fact, will be stranger than the strange cruelty you are now displaying. Though you are here to collect your penalty, a pound of Antonio's flesh, we don't think you will actually take it. When his ship sank, he faced a great enough loss to put enough the richest merchant in Venice out of business. We will expect a kind answer, Jew. Shylock. You know what I will do? I have sworn by a holy Sabbath to take me penalty. Bassanio. That's not answer. You are heartless man, nor does it excuse your actions. Shylock. I am not bound to please you with my answers. Bassanio. Not at all. Man, kill what you hate. Shylock. Do all people not want to kill the things they hate? Bassanio. Dislike is not the same thing as hater. Shylock. Would you let the same snake bite you twice? Antonio. I beg you, don't waste time arguing with him, Bassanio. You might well ask the sea to be smaller. You may as well ask a wolf to tell you why he killed a little lamb and made its mother cry for it. Make him no more of us. Don't try to stop him. Let me receive my punishment. Bassanio. You are owed 3,000 ducats. Here I offer you 6. Shylock. I wouldn't accept 6 times that amount. I want my penalty. Duke. How can you hope for mercy yourself when you show none? Shylock. What judgment do I need to fear? I haven't done anything wrong. I have to pay a lot for a pound of flesh, and now I want it. Refuse me and the laws of Venice will lose their power. I wait for justice. Will I have it? Duke. Upon my power, I may dismiss this court unless Bellerio, a learned judge, came here today. I had asked him to come and act as a judge to settle this matter. My lord, there is a messenger waiting outside with a letter with Bassanio from Padua. Nurseria enters, distinguished as lawyer's clerk. Duke. Have you come from Padua, from Bellerio's office? Nurseria. Yes, my lord. Bellerio greets your grace. Duke. This letter from Bellerio recommends a young and learned doctor to our court. Where is he? Nurseria. She waits for you to call him in. Duke. With all my heart, with all my heart. 3 or 4 of you go and fetch him. Now, after that, the Duke reads the letter, whatever is written in the letter. Portia enters distinguished as a lawyer. Now, first the Nurseria entered as distinguished as a lawyer. Now, Portia entered as a lawyer. Duke. Did old Bellerio send you here? Portia. Yes, my lord. Duke. Are you familiar with the dispute the court is trying to settle? Portia. I am informed in details, my lord. Is your name Shylock? Shylock is my name. Portia, the nature of your suit is strange, yet it is still rule for Venetian law cannot change for on your demand. Portia, you stand in a great danger. Do you not? Antonio, yes, so he says. Portia, do you confess to signing the bond? So from here you can read it all this is a story. If you have any doubt or anything, then you can ask me.